Welcome to the first lecture of this course. In this one, we will make sure we have all the necessary softwares to start working on API development. The first thing, of course, we need a code editor. I'm sure you already have it installed in your computer because you have been learning or working on Python and Django, right? Which is, of course, the prerequisite of this Django REST Framework course. Anyway, I like VS Code. If you have it installed, it is well and good. Otherwise, you can consider installing it by visiting to code.visualstudio.com. The installation is super simple for Windows, Mac and Linux. I already have it installed in my system, so I'm not gonna show the installation process step by step because you are a software developer. You can do it on your own, right? It's very simple. Now, the next thing, we need a terminal. In Windows, we have command prompt or PowerShell. If you're using Mac, you have a built-in terminal, right? However, for Windows user, I recommend using Git Bash as a terminal because it allows you to run Linux commands on Windows machine. Okay, it will definitely help you boost your development skills. So to install Git Bash, you can go to git-sam.com/downloads to install Git Bash. If you need a step-by-step instruction on how to install Git Bash, please see the next lecture. Okay, but anyhow, it is very simple. You can install it on your own. And for the Mac users, you don't need to do anything. You have a built-in terminal. All right. So for this course, I'm going to use my MacBook. So I will be using the Mac's built-in terminal. Okay. So next, we need one more super powerful tool called Postman. So Postman is an API client for building and using APIs. Okay, so as part of API development, we use Postman more often because it allows us to send requests and receive responses from various API endpoints. Okay, so to install Postman, you can simply go to postman.com/downloads. So from here, you can install it for Mac, and if you're using Windows, it will show the Windows installation button. Okay, so that's it for now. And in terms of machine learning project, we will definitely need Anaconda or Miniconda. With that, we will also need a Jupyter notebook as well, right? But you know what? Let's not install everything at once. We will first learn the fundamentals of Django REST Framework, and we'll create some APIs using Django REST Framework. And then we will do a quick brainstorming section where we will properly plan our next move about building a stock prediction application. Okay, and then we'll install other softwares on the go. So that's it for this video. Make sure you take some time and have these tools installed. I'll be waiting for you in the next one.